This video will teach you how to find and grab images to add to your Thinglink. The first step will be searching for Safari web browser. So pull down the search drop box and type in the word Safari. Once you find it, tap on the Safari icon. Once you open a Safari web browser, you'll be given an address bar. That's where the red arrow is pointing. In that address bar, please type destiny.coppellisd.com. Once you do that, tap on the words next to the magnifying glass in the white area of your screen. Once you do that, the top search should be Destiny/Coppell Independent School District. Go ahead and click on those blue words, and it should take you to a screen that looks like this. Click on Lakeside Elementary School, and in the top right-hand corner where it says Log In, press that and type in your username and password that you use to get onto the computer in the computer labs. Once you do that, you should still see the home screen of the Lakeside Elementary School Destiny page. You'll notice the Symbaloo, and I know Ms. Bredberg has talked to you several times about the Symbaloo and the great resources that are housed here. The first one we're going to look at for resources is Nat Geo Kids. So tap on the icon that's circled on the screen. Once you click on Nat Geo Kids, there should be a page for you to log in. You don't need a username for this site, only the password. And the password is Lone Star, all lowercase and one word. Type in Lone Star and click on the word Proceed. Then you will be logged in to National Geographic Kids. The red arrow is pointing to the place where you'll search. You can search for animals or types of machinery or anything that relates to your region. Make sure you're checking your rubric and getting images for all of the things that are necessary for your final product. I might want to search for a picture of a bison, so I'll type bison in the search box and press the yellow button, Search. After I do that, Nat Geo Kids will go through their website and deliver back any pictures that have to do with the bison. So you can tell that I'm looking just for my pictures because of that green heading on top. I've got pictures, kids magazines, and books, but we're using this to find images. I only have one image of a bison here, but if you like it, then click on it. Click on it, and you kind of have to click and hold. Once you click and hold, the image becomes a little bit bigger. From here, I need you to press your finger on the image and kind of leave it there for 1 or 2 seconds, and then you'll see this pop-up menu. It's giving you the option to save the image. Click on Save Image, and that image will automatically be saved on the camera roll on the iPad you're working on. From here, I will want to touch the Home button of my iPad and search for Thinglink once again. Open your Thinglink application. You should still be logged in, so click on your project and click on the word Edit in the top right-hand corner. Once you do that, you can add that picture to your region. Whenever you touch on a region on the Texas map, you'll get the menu that's shown with the red arrow pointing to it. You can add text or you can add media. A picture is going to be an example of media, so tap on Add Media. Then it's going to ask you, do you want to take a video? Do you want to choose from your gallery or add from YouTube? You have several options here. If you save an image to the camera roll, you're always going to find it by going to the gallery. You also have the option of taking a quick video if you would like, or if you've made a video and uploaded it to YouTube, you're going to find it there. Once you click on the words Choose from Gallery, your photos will come up. You'll want to click on Camera Roll. You saved the image to your camera roll, and I've circled with red ink the picture that I want to add to my Texas region's map. So tap on the image that you would like to add, and you'll see that it's been placed on your Texas map. I circled in red a little blue circle with a pencil. If you're wanting to add text behind your picture, this is the place to do it. So if you want to add text, tap on that blue circle, and Thinglink gives you an option to add some more detail here. I have a feeling that Miss Wilson and Miss Royce are going to want you to add some factual information that you've gathered from your resources behind each image and video that you add to your region. So you can see that I said insert awesome information here. And once you're finished, you'll click the green check mark. Another place you may want to go is PebbleGo. So you would go back to the library by going to destiny.coppellisd.com. You should still be logged in, but you're going to access the Symbaloo again and click on PebbleGo this time. Once you click on PebbleGo, you're going to see a login screen. The login for PebbleGo is Lakeside ES, all lowercase, and the password is Longhorns. If you can't remember that, make sure you go back to the Google presentation where all the usernames and passwords are housed. Once you log in, you're going to want to click on the Animals section. You could probably look in social studies as well if you're looking for maybe some of the economical resources from your region. Then you're going to use the search engine right at the top, and I might want to look for an eagle. So I'm going to type in the word eagle and press on it. Here's a pretty nice picture of an eagle. I can do the same thing here that I did with my bison. Just hold your finger on top of that eagle and click on Save Image, then go back to your Thinglink and add it if you would like. Here's a reminder of what your Thinglink will look like when you're in edit mode. So you would click on edit in the top right hand corner to add another image or another video or another piece of information.